Okay, this is an electric screwdriver model HK034 2500 MAH, and it's got 2.5 hours of charging time. They give you white gloves. I don't know why, but they're way too small. I mean, they're really too small. Like, there's no way my hand could fit in this. Like, it's kind of like, I don't think they're exactly like one size fits all, but you know, it is what it is. But I'm glad they include them. But here's the actual screwdriver, and it's all, when I got it, it's charged up and ready to go, so that's pretty awesome. This is the pack they give you. They give you a little case, and it's a hard shell case. It's a little softer than normal, but yeah, it works to carry it. They give you screws. They give you all the bits. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 bits, which is awesome. They also give you these standard drill sets to go in there, which that is also awesome. And you got a double-sided one and the extender there, and you get the USB charging, USB to USB-C to charge it. And so I'm going to show you I'm going to try to get this screw out so I can show you how it works. And so we're going to open up the bag. We're going to put this, oh wait, I think this is supposed to go like this. Put this in here, and then we're going to get this little drill bit out, and then let's zoom in to there. So that's awesome. Look at that. Really quick, really powerful. So that comes out. So we're going to put it back in. So that was, so we're going to righty tighty, lefty loosey. Whoops. And that is in there, man. So that is the electric screwdriver. So a great option if you need something to help you with your projects.